helping? Have you got your tools? What tools have you got? Oh, your hammer. That's a good idea.
I don't want it.
I think if you're going to be in here with Daddy, you might need some safety goggles on.
Yeah, get some goggles, some glasses.
In case Daddy pings up a bit of...
Where are your glasses?
You got any?
Sunglasses. Actually, yeah, I can get you some
proper
safety
ones. I'd rather she wore safety ones. Show me how you hammer. Yeah, use a torch. Good idea.
Can use a torch.
Wow, that's some good DIYing. You shine the light for your sister?
I want to use that with that. Like, Mum, this is right.
You're shining it on her bum. Good job.
I told you on your bum, Mika.
Do you know what you're doing, Mika?
No.
No. It's like what Mummy does when she does DIY.
Tell me.
I don't know, you'll have to ask Daddy. Are you hammering too?
I don't want one of them.
Barry's holding the torch.
I see it. Another one.
The little black one will work.
Yeah, like there. See? That's little black one.
You use that.
That one's not the same.
It will work, I promise. You hammer on this wall. Look, this bit needs hammering. Let Ari hammer that bit. Yeah, you hammer. Good idea. That's good hammering. Well done.
Maybe we swap these. Thank you, Barry. Thank you, Barry. How are you doing, Barry?
Good job, Mika.
Thank you.
Daddy's sacked for not having the correct PPE. No, they need something.
Right.
Look, they're
I will
actually-
go down the shop then.
They're hammering
I'll get
plastic
you some
bits
glasses.
into the...
Ah, I see some spaces.
What's happening, Ari? What's happening? Is Daddy attending you on the telly?
Right there.
Oh, look, pretty. Oh, film star.
I'll stand on here. That's right, I got you. Right, here, drill.
I want mine to it.
You can do the proper drill. Then. Push the red button. Don't push. Right, make it do the last bit.
Wow, Ari. Did you do drilling?
Yeah. I got my own one.
You got your own one.
Right, turn around. Feet.
Stand up,
Stand
Mika.
up, I'll get the drill. Right, you ready?
Yeah. I want to do it.
Right, go and push the button. Right, that's enough. Good work.
Well done. You did it.
Make my hammer now.
Nibbler. Oh, what's wrong with him? Hey guys, it is the 2nd of February and I'm in the living room. The telly's gone on the wall. We're putting the laminate floor down the same as in there, in here. I am still poorly. I've still got a horrible cough and a cold. Ben has taken the girls to our friend's little boy's 3rd birthday party, and it's at Tottstown, which is like a play area. Nibbler, get off. No, bed, there's just, don't, look, just go away. There's like one random raisin just stuck over there and he's trying to eat it. Yeah, it's at Tottstown, which is like this kids' play town. I can't remember if I've took you before and shown you, but it's really cool. The girls love it. But I just thought I didn't want to go and make everybody else's kids sick. Mika's still got a cough, but she seems fine in herself. I still feel like crap. So Ben's gone, and I thought I would take the tiles up, because underneath this carpet, this manky carpet in the living room, there is tiles. Lino, weird, well, not lino, they're like this weird plastic stuff tiles. So I am taking them up. They come up quite easily, and I've done the whole room barring this little bit where Gecko's on, because I can't do that without Ben. And we think we're gonna get the laminate in, and then we're gonna slide him, and then Gecko is eventually, he's gonna go in that corner just there next to the telly, like along that wall there. Because now the telly's up there, we think it'll look better there. And then my nice pretty unit is going to go behind me in this gap, and then we're going to get a nice big corner sofa for in here eventually. That is the plan, but I thought I would just show you these tiles as I'm taking them up. So this is the floor. So it was this manky carpet, oh, so gross, and then this insulation, and it's now these tiles. And some of them come up in one, however some of them do not, and I have cut all my knuckles because I've been doing this for like 2 hours or something ridiculous. But yeah, some of them are coming up in 1 or 2 pieces. Other ones are coming up in like 10 pieces. But this is all I've got left to do apart from this bit. So when Ben gets home, he should be home about 6, maybe a little bit before, and then we're going to get cracking on this tonight, and it will all be finished tomorrow, barring the skirting boards. We're not doing those yet, just because in what will be the kitchen, we don't know where they're going to go in regards to the cupboards, so we're just going to wait, and then we're going to have all the same skirting downstairs. So that's the plan. So I'm going to get on, and I will talk to you in a bit. It's the next morning. You can hear Ben in the background. It's only 8 minutes past 9, and nearly half the living room floor is done. How's it going, Bender?
Pretty good.
You know this is going to be on the internet. He doesn't care. Are you going to help him?
Yeah.
What you got? Yummers. You want me to open him? Show me your bit. Is it going to fit?
Going down.
You think it's going to fit, Ari?
But if you're filming here.
What is that? Is that, Mum?
I think it's going to be a little bit out there.
Is that, Mummy?
Tiny bit off there.
Tiny bit off there.
Tiny bit off there.
Is this it?
No, I'm just. I have to go all the way to there. Just to see if that's the right depth.
One day, the descendants of dinosaurs like Coelophysis will take the last word. But it is
Hey guys, it's the next day. It is Monday the 4th of January and we finished, I say we, Ben finished the floor yesterday and it looks amazing. There's still mess everywhere, but the floor is done and it looks awesome. Did Daddy do a good job on the floor?
Yeah.
You really like it? What have you got in your hand? What is it? It's blue tack. Do you need that?
Yeah.
What do you need it for? Right. So yeah, I'll turn you around and I'll show you the room now. So we've had to put this here because we haven't got the spacer between the door and these tiles are getting replaced as well. So you now come in and Gecko's here.
These are stars.
Wow, Gecko's here. He fits in there perfectly. Done a little bit of decorating on my windowsill. So we've got Ben's Bender picture, a couple of ferns, a peace lily, and all my birds that Ben gets me for our anniversaries. To be fair, there should be 10 because we've had 10 anniversaries, but there's only 3. And then the telly's on the wall now. I'm going to paint these bricks, like whitewash them, and we think we're going to try and sand this a bit and then stain it kind of like a dark grey. And then these tiles are going to be replaced with the same ones that we're going to replace in there as well. The sofa's here, but the sofa looks tiny now because we've got all this space up this end which still needs sorting. So we're going to get a really long sofa with like a corner bit. That is the plan when we can afford it. No thank you. You stick it on the wall but you don't stick it on Mummy's nice cupboard. So finally my favourite piece of furniture can come in here and I can actually put stuff in it that is mine. So this has always been the bar. We've got our alcohol in there. I've got a few little bits on the top that just need sorting out. This isn't going to stay in here and nor is that picture. We did notice this the other day. The dog has bloody chewed this. I'm so annoyed. So I'll try and fix that because this is an antique. And then the girls have broken these on both sides because they've still got their crap in at the minute. But it will end up eventually have like all my tablecloths and stuff in, not bike helmets and curtains for their little house. So yeah, we've got no break in the floor, it just comes straight through, which is what I wanted, and it's going to be the same in the other room as well. This is what I'm trying to sort out today, just finding homes for all of this. This sofa we are selling, so if anyone wants it, it's 250 quid. It does have legs on it, we just haven't got them on, just because the girls just put all their toys underneath it, so we just took them off. It's quite big, but we are going to sell that, so if you're interested.
Look at this.
Wow, that's good, let me know. Eventually the floor is going to carry on, and that's my office. Okay, I'll come and wipe your butt. I can hear you weeing, so I won't wipe it yet. We've got a little bit of floor left, nearly a whole box. This is my mountain of washing to do, which is why I want the utility room so I can just hide it. Still need to move this upstairs. We're going to have tiles eventually in there. In there, there's Zara's little feet while she's having a poo. And then in the hallway. This is the back garden at the minute because we are hiring a skip. Because taking all this to the dump, you get charged now for any kind of DIY waste. So God knows how much this would have cost us. So we're just going to get a skip when we do the kitchen. And then hopefully that will be all cleared. We've ordered the window for this door. This door is getting bricked up and then we're having a big window at the top. So that has been ordered. But yeah, I need to just get on and do this. But I'm super happy with how it's turned out. And again, the skirting will be done when we do the other room. So I'm going to go and wipe Aria's bum.